Good morning. It's the 24th of September. It's 7 Celsius out, and I've spent the night in my tent. 2-day camping, 2-day airsoft event. So here's what I've done in the night. I opened up my sleeping bag, blankets, wool blanket on the bottom, Boy Scout blanket here. Some of my patches right there, another blanket, and my sleeping bag here. It's rated to -5. That's, and underneath I've had a cot that keeps me off the ground, thin mattress, and a wool blanket underneath. It got chilly in the night, damp, and I would not want to bug out. You could not take enough blankets with you. When I got up this morning, I put my sternal stove on. I don't know if that's all right. It's in a pot, it's contained. That has made a difference in here. And the next time I camp out, I certainly will keep on going all night, away from where I put my roll over my blankets. So I'm gonna get up. You know, you got gear everywhere, food, gear. Okay, there's that sound. And there's our surrounding. Oh, buddy's cutting wood, getting the fire going. I thought I heard something outside last night around my water. Hard to say. Listened to somebody snore all night. And we're on the hill here. But anyways, have a great day. Like, subscribe, and comment. And like I said, if I was the idea of bugging out, you can't carry enough blankets to stay warm. And it'll be colder than you think. You're better off to stay home and in your own little bed. Anyways, have a good day.